Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate facial proportions. So this video won't necessarily get into the nitty-gritty details about how to draw a realistic eye or nose, but it will get into how each of the facial features relate to each other, and how to draw an average human face from straight on. So first we're going to start with the basic head shape, which is basically an oval. If you want to break this shape down even more, you could draw a circle first and then extend a U shape down. Otherwise, an oval with a smaller bottom and a wider top will generally work. So like an upside down egg. We're going to cut this into 4 quadrants, so in half and then in half again. The first feature we're going to look at is the hairline. Generally, if we cut this in half and then in half again, so the first fourth of the first half of the head is where our hairline is going to start. And I'm going to be doing a female, so I'm going to draw kind of some female hair. And the female hair tends to kind of swoop down further across the face. Next, we'll drop down to this halfway point, and this is where our eyes are going to be. Generally, people tend to put them somewhere way up here, but believe it or not, they're halfway down your face. So to find our placement of our eyes, we're going to draw 5 eyes of equal size. So that one's a little big. Across. So our head is generally going to be 5 eyes across. So I'll bring this in a little bit. And then we're gonna go with these 2 eyes right here. So you should be able to fit an eye in between those 2 eyes. I'll just draw some pupils right there. Next, we're gonna drop down and cut this lower half in half again. And right at that line is going to be the tip of our nose. So I'm just gonna lightly sketch a little nose there. And the edges of our nose should line up with the inside corners of both eyes. And then you'll be able to bring that in a little bit. So there's our nose. And then we can go ahead and add the eyebrows as they kind of connect a little bit to our nose. Next, we're going to cut this last fourth in half again. And right there is going to be our mouth. And the edges of our mouth are generally going to line up with our pupils if the figure is looking straight on. So I'll go ahead and draw our mouth. And then the ears are going to start right in line with the eyes, and they'll go up a little bit, and then they're going to come down to the base of our nose. And then our neck, a lot of people just like to add a little skinny thing, but really it connects at where our ears start. So if we imagine it starting about here, I'm just gonna outline my chin and face again. Finish up my hair, which sometimes comes in front of the neck. And then we have ourselves a human face. Now, obviously, this is a bit awkward looking because the human face isn't flat. So this is going to contour a little bit more. You won't be able to see these two eyes as clearly on the edges because they'll be folding back into the head. So this face is a little bit flat, but understanding these proportions will help you in true still life drawings. So I hope this helped.